If your Chevrolet Malibu shows Service ESC on the dashboard, it means there's a fault in the electronic stability control system. ESC helps prevent skidding by automatically applying brake pressure to individual wheels when the car detects loss of traction. When this warning appears, the system may be partially or fully disabled, reducing your stability support, especially in rain or slippery conditions. While the car may still drive normally, this is a safety warning that should be checked quickly. Important steps: 1. Inspect the wheel speed sensor areas near each wheel for dirt, corrosion, or damaged wiring. 2. Check battery voltage. Weak batteries can trigger ESC faults. 3. Scan the vehicle with an OBD2 scanner to read specific ESC or ABS codes. 4. Look for common codes related to wheel speed sensors or steering angle sensor errors. 5. Clear the codes and test drive to see if the warning returns. 6. If the light stays on, schedule professional diagnosis and calibration.